In the previous modules, we covered how title transfers in real estate and worked through several exam-style practice questions. Now let's focus on memory tools and common exam traps related to deeds, title transfer, and recording. Understanding these shortcuts can help you answer questions faster and avoid common mistakes. Let's begin with one of the most common exam traps: grantor versus grantee. The grantor is the person transferring ownership. The grantee is the person receiving ownership. A simple memory tool is this: the grantor grants ownership, the grantee gets the property. This quick reminder can help you eliminate incorrect answers immediately on the exam. Next, let's review the different types of deeds. A general warranty deed provides the strongest protection for the buyer. With this deed, the seller guarantees that the title is clear and agrees to defend the buyer against any title claims, even if those claims originated before the seller owned the property. A special warranty deed provides more limited protection. The seller only guarantees that they did not create any title defects during the time they owned the property. They do not guarantee the condition of the title before their ownership. Now let's review the quitclaim deed. A quitclaim deed transfers whatever ownership interest the grantor currently has, if any. There are no warranties or guarantees about the title. Quitclaim deeds are often used between family members or when clearing up title issues. Another concept that appears on the exam is recording priority. Recording a deed places the ownership transfer into the public record. This creates public notice of ownership. The Arizona exam may describe a situation where two buyers claim ownership of the same property. In those cases, the buyer who records their deed first may receive legal priority. Now let's review title insurance, another frequently tested concept. Title insurance protects buyers and lenders from financial loss caused by defects in the title. These defects may include undiscovered liens, recording errors, or ownership disputes. Unlike most insurance policies, title insurance protects against problems that may already exist in the past ownership history of the property. Here's another important exam strategy. When you see questions about title transfer, ask yourself 3 quick questions. Who is transferring ownership? What type of deed is being used? And has the deed been recorded? These 3 clues will often guide you toward the correct answer. Understanding deeds and title transfer is essential for real estate transactions and for passing the Arizona Real Estate Licensing exam. In the next section of Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam series, we'll move into real estate closings and settlement procedures, where we'll discuss escrow, settlement statements, and the closing process. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.